Good evening, students of class 12. Let us continue chapter 2. In this video, we shall solve certain numericals on capacitance. Today, I have picked up few numericals based on series and parallel connection of capacitors. Fine. So, let us read the question first. Three individual capacitors C1, C2, C3 of capacitance 6 microfarad. In such questions, as I always say, there is no time for you to read the complete question. So whatever comes first, write it down. Fine. Each are connected to a 12-volt battery as shown. So potential V is equal to 12 volt in the circuit. Find the charge on each capacitor. So there are three capacitors. So they are asking us to find out Q1, Q2, Q3. That is the query. Now, once the given is understood by us, let us go to the circuit diagram. So this circuit diagram is having three capacitors C1, C2, C3 of 6 microfarad and 12 volt is the source potential. Fine. Okay. So now let us see how to approach such question very easily. There are so many ways given in so many reference books and textbooks. But you follow one pattern for such questions, which is the easiest. So whenever such questions are asked based on capacitance and or in series and parallels, find out the equivalent capacitance, step 1. Step 2, using equivalent capacitance, find out the total charge. Then we will see what capacitors, which capacitors are in series, in parallels, and accordingly how to arrange the charges. Fine. These are the steps. So step 1. Let us first find out what is the equivalent capacitance. For that, which capacitors are in series and which capacitors are in parallel. So for that, start from the battery. Go up. I will use another pen. Go up. Here there is a junction which is going in two ways. So it is understood that these two portions are in parallels. Fine. This portion has C3, this portion has C1 and C2. So this line is parallel to this line. Okay. So here I redraw. This is the junction which is looking like a T junction. Whenever there is a T junction, both the branches are in parallels. So it is hence understood that the charge which was Q is distributed into Q1 and Q2. This branch will have Q1 because both C1 and C2 are in series. As you can see, Q1 is passing through both C1 and C2. This branch will have a charge of